In this Contentify review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to get you 100% unique content for your websites and blogs with a push of a button in a way that's not going to get you in trouble. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Contentify, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump into it, I just want to show you my bonus page here. I've got a bunch of great bonuses that you're going to be getting if you pick this through my link. All these different bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says repurpose, publish, profit, proprietary AI turns YouTube videos into traffic getting articles at the push of a button. We've been getting free autopilot traffic from Google without SEO experience for over 2 years now by converting other YouTube videos into articles. So essentially what this does is it allows you to take any YouTube article and take all that different text that's inside of it and take it out of it and use that as unique content on your websites. And the way that it does it legally is that some of these YouTube videos have Creative Commons licenses on them, meaning that the owners of them have said, hey, I'm creating this content. If you want to use it for yourself, you can. I don't care. Go ahead and use it. Do whatever you want with my content, which is great because there are thousands upon thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of videos out there that have that right to them that you can go in there and you can take that content and use it as your own. Now, if you were going to do this on your own, it would be a pain in the butt. Well, this software lets you extract all of that, organizes it into a blog post for you, and publishes it on a WordPress website for you without having to do all the techie and annoying stuff that you'd have to do manually in order to do that. On top of that, it even has spinning softwares inside of it. So if you're someone that even wants more unique content from the posts, you can actually take that content and spin it using the software inside so that your content is even more unique with it. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to show you exactly how all that works inside the review here today. You can schedule all your articles. You can turn any YouTube video into an article, a blog post. Essentially, you can turn any YouTube video, by the way, with this, but they do have a special selection where you can just pick the ones that have Creative Commons. If you want to take other people's videos, I mean, it's up to you what you want to do with your business, but if you want to be safer, then take the ones that have Creative Commons on them. It also allows you to monetize these websites. It has, you can add in AdSense, banner ads. You can even take specific words that appear in the text and have them be highlighted with links that go to your affiliate links. You can search for videos in any niche. And then the articles are SEO optimized. It publishes it on your website for you. You can automatically source videos, built-in text spinner, customize the articles. You can go in and actually edit them after if you want to. It has boost traffic and rankings with the help of their social media sharing system, etc., etc. So it has tons of stuff in here. Here's some earnings that they've had here. This looks like what AdSense earnings from different sites. They made $11,000 in earnings on their last payment here. Here's one with $5,000 in payments from AdSense. So that's pretty cool, being able to monetize the content here. So it's, you pull the content in, you monetize it all in one platform here. I'm just going to go down through this pretty quickly because I'm actually going to show you how this works. Let me bring you down here. There's some screenshots of money being made, etc., etc. So it's going to be a pretty low one-time price for this, depending upon when you get to this page. Of course, that price is going to go up throughout the launch, so just be aware of that. There's training and everything included inside of here that's going to show you exactly how this all works. But it's, yeah, again, it's really, really cheap if you pick it up during the launch period and you get in on that early bird pricing there. So let me take you over. Let's take a look at an actual site created with this and the backend area. So here's an actual website created with Contentify. What it does, essentially, you can use it on any theme. It doesn't matter. You can use it on a different theme if you want to. But with this, you can add in your different ads. You can add in your content here. So there's a content from Ty Lopez. where he goes, and probably Ty's going to show up on my video now as an ad. Ty Lopez, Ty Lopez. Let's see if he shows up. So it's going to bring all his different content here on like from the video. You can add in links, you can add in monetization, you can add in AdSense, whatever you want to add into this, you can. All again customizable there. And this site right here, obviously, it's about make money online. They've got tons of extra content that they've added in here to have the site have more content in it. So again, you can take this, you can, if you want to change it around, you can do whatever you want with it, but it's going to pull in that content for your website. So let's go over, I want to show you this right here. This is the backend area. So pretty easily, these are the posts that have been created with the content. You can share it out on social media if you want to. But to make a campaign, let's go to Manage Campaign. And it is a WordPress plugin, everyone. So you will need a WordPress website in order to use this software. So if you don't have a WordPress website already, get a WordPress website. It will cost you like sometimes $2 for a domain name and as little as $5 a month for hosting. So get one website if you don't have one already. Search for your keyword. So let's keep with the whole make money online thing. Make money online, and you can do it like according to relevance, upload date, view count, and rating. I'm going to click on Creative Commons to be safe. Number of videos 15. I'm going to click on search. So it's going to go through here and it's going to actually search for different videos. It's going to pull them up, show how many views they are here on these different videos. It's going to show different titles and everything. Usually here we go. I was going to say usually the image shows up. I think it's just loading. Here we go. So the actual video is showing up here. You can actually go and take a look at the video and see what it is. But like this one right here is the one with Ty. Let's see if we can find one here. 7 ways to earn money with a laptop and no skills. That's pretty cool. This video has 54,000 views on it, and it has Creative Commons rights so that people can actually use the video. So I'm going to go and I'm going to actually use this video. And if you click on translate, if you have one of the different versions, I'm going to show you one of the OTOs. It can actually translate it into different languages, but I'm going to show you that in a second. So if you don't have that, it's going to just be English transcribed now. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to actually go and take all the different text from that video, and it's going to put it into my post. On top of that, it's going to pull the video in as well. So if I want to have the video in my post as well, I can. Right now, it's pulling that in, and it's going to show up right here automatically. So let's see how long that it takes to pull that in. It's pulling it in. Here we go. Here's the video come in. And here's all my lovely text here that I can use now to bring in free traffic from Google SEO. It even puts like my featured image here, has all the stuff here for Google, all SEO ready to pull in free traffic from Google. Now, if I want to, I can take this content, and if I want to, I can use the spinner in the software and spin it around, or I can edit it, make it look a little bit nicer if I want to, or if I don't care about it, if I'm just concerned about getting the free traffic and I want to have this in there for SEO, I can then go ahead and publish this article here. So I'm going to click on publish, and it's going to do its little thing. And it's publishing. Here we go. And let's go back to the website. My internet wants to play nicely. Going back over. Okay, so here we are. And you can see it's now published right here. And I can click on that. And I can monetize this how I want to. I can put whatever kind of monetization I want in here. And it's going to pull up. It's got my video here. It's got my text all ready to go. Pretty easy to do if you ask me. Let me go back here. Just want to show you some other stuff in the software really quick. Let's go back over to the website. Okay, so there are some auto campaign features that's in the upgrade. They've got your settings here. So if you want to go in, you add in your YouTube API key, your Google Translate key, or if you've got Spin Rewriter or Word AI or Best Spinner, you can add those in if you want to spin the content. Facebook auto share post, Twitter auto share, all that stuff. Monetization. So if you want to make money from this, which we all do, you can add in your keyword and what link it is. So if you want it, so like every time like make money comes up on your post in your content, you want it to like link out to like an affiliate program or an opt-in page or whatever, you can make that do it automatically with the software. You can also add in ads in the page header on the sidebar, and you can have banner ads at the beginning of a post, at a sidebar banner ads, all that in here. You can pick how you want to monetize that. So that's the front end software. That's what it includes on the front end. Pretty cool software on the front end. Let's go ahead and take a look at the OTOs. So this is the first upgrade that you're going to see here. It's going to give you more features here. It's going to give you auto campaign, so it's going to let you automatically, like it will publish. So you can set it up. You can set it and forget it. It will just keep on publishing content for you, so you don't have to worry about it. You select the niche that you want it to go in, and it will go in there and just publish content for you on autopilot, which is pretty cool. Create a new campaign, enter your keywords, select the number of videos you want to be transcribed to next, and then you select the time gap between the posts. So if you want to do it every like I don't know, few hours, you can do that every few days, however you want to set that up. You can start campaign and let it automatically do the rest for you. So that's anyone that wants to kind of set this on autopilot, and it has agency rights. You can actually sell this as a service to people, sell these sites, and keep 100% of the profits for that. So that's that offer there. The next one, it's going to allow you to transcribe the videos into other languages so you can hit other markets. So let's say you want to hit the Spanish market, you want to hit the Italian market, you want to hit the Chinese market, whatever. You can have it so it translates it into these different ones. You can publish different versions of it so you can get even more free traffic from Google. The next one, you can upgrade it. This is the advanced version. It's going to allow you to get content from Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitter, Pocket, Pinterest, Medium, and many more. So you can get content from those places as well. The next one is Done For You Toolkit. So it's going to let you instantly monetize and increase your revenue with this. It's going to give you Done For You 3 professional sites, Done For You posts, Done For You logo, Done For You legal pages, walkthrough training, and you can start monetizing it with affiliate offers and CPA. So it's going to give you 20 premium plugins, graphics, banners, all that included inside of this upgrade as well. Two more upgrades here. This one here automatically will share your content to top 20 social sites automatically for you. So to give you traffic to your sites. And the last one is you can sell this and keep 100% of the profits with the reseller rights. I know a lot of you like to know the prices for the upgrades, so it wasn't showing on the pages, so I wanted to show you really quick. Of course, this can change at any time, but this is the information that I have in front of me. The first upgrade is $37. The second one is $37. Third one is $47. Fourth one is $37. Fifth one is $39, and the last one is $197 for the reseller rights. Again, those prices can change, so don't come back and get mad at me if they change later on. They might go up, they might go down, who knows, but probably up if anything. So those are the different prices on those ones, just so you know. Okay, so what do I like about Contentify and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I wish it was a cloud-based system. I wish that you didn't have to have a website and you didn't have to set that up in order to make this work. However, if you do want to use Contentify for your business, you will need to have a WordPress website, you need a domain name, and you need hosting. So I know someone's going to ask that below. You need a domain name, you need to have WordPress to make this work. What do I like about it? I like these kinds of softwares, just the fact that you can easily take content. I like the fact that it allows you to only take content from Creative Commons, so you're not going to get yourself in trouble. But if you want to take content from anywhere else, it's your business. You do what you want to do with it. It gives you that freedom as well. Also, on top of that, it gives you ways of monetizing this content. And if you pick up some of the OTOs and upgrades, it's going to let you even automate it as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, free content, free traffic, then definitely pick this up. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out Contentify, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you've watched this far, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.